Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid water gel. First, ensure your face is slightly damp after cleansing. This allows the hyaluronic acid to draw moisture into your skin effectively. Dispense a small, pea-sized amount onto your fingertips. Gently pat and press the gel evenly across your face and neck. Finish by applying your favorite moisturizer to lock in all that hydration. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the environment into your skin. It can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, providing intense hydration. For the best results, incorporate it into both your morning and evening skincare routines. Consistent use helps plump the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and leaving your complexion feeling soft and supple. A common mistake is applying hyaluronic acid to completely dry skin. Without external moisture, it can actually pull water from deeper skin layers, leading to dryness. Always start with a clean, slightly damp face. Consider layering it with other beneficial serums, like vitamin C, for enhanced results. This ensures maximum efficacy and keeps your skin feeling hydrated and healthy. For an extra boost, try combining your hyaluronic acid water gel with a vitamin C serum in your morning routine. This pairing can significantly enhance skin brightening and antioxidant protection. Remember to store your gel in a cool, dark place to preserve its potency over time. And speaking of upgrades, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.